Okay, so I have my aquarium right here. There are two little gear wheels, one right, let me see if I can get it on the camera. Yep, one right here and one right here. Let me just put my camera here for now. Be careful not to pull on this. This is connected to a wheel, which runs the entire pump system alongside the fish. Okay, we've got one more to do. This one's going to require a smaller one, okay. So here you should have access to these. I'm just going to plug back in. Like this. So I'm just gonna finish opening this up. And here's what we are working with. So you can see immediately one of the gears popped off, right? This is what we're working with. So you're gonna have to replace these. And you can see that this mechanism has popped off. It's very greasy, which is very uncomfortable for me, but I'm doing this because I want to show you how you can repair your aquarium like I did with mine. The fish are fine, so it's mainly the pump that I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna try a thinner rubber band, so yeah. So this is just like a film wheel. It's very complicated, keep that in mind. Just like this, I think. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, I think this is how it's supposed to go. It's really hard to do this. And try not to show my face. This connects to right around here, I think. Why don't I remember doing this from before? Ah, okay, here we go. I'm just gonna disconnect these. So this is essentially what moves everything. Let me switch the mode. So you can see this little wheel right over here. It's moving really quickly. This is what moves everything. So I'm going to put this rubber band right around here. I'm gonna put you right over here. Also gonna put you and this should get everything. Yeah, and these get everything moving. You can see the pump. You can see it moving, yeah. And I'm going to quickly put my phone down so I can finish this process. Yep, and that thin rubber band really out. So I'm just going to screw everything back up. Everything is moving just as it should be. Oh. Now everything is working beautifully. The gears are turning. As a matter of fact, it's working so well, I'm scared. And it is fully restored, full working order. And that is basically how you fix the gears in your Ocean Wonders Aquarium 2002 to 2010 version. Mine is specifically the 2002 variant. Other people might have 2008 variants, but they all still work the same. It's basically this specific version, and it's pretty easy to repair. 1 second, I'm just going to check that I have everything in place. Yeah, I think I do, yeah. Yeah, so this is basically how you get the gears back onto your aquarium. I'm just going to patch everything back up now. And I actually never knew how much my aquarium needed a thin rubber band. before, the movements aren't as heavy and bulky. They're much softer now. And thin rubber bands for this are the best choice. And this is easier than it looks. You just really need to be precise with the movement. It's just hard for me when I have my camera on because I have to balance two different things. And my hands are much steadier than they are on camera. It's just, I have to balance two different things and do it from afar. So it's pretty tough. I think we've got one more maybe. And I am later going to tag the person who commented that this runs on gear wheels, because I would have never guessed, but it actually does make sense now as to the movement patterns. Alright, so here we have a complete pair. Working like a charm over here. A little too well. It's just a kind of funny angle right now, but once I get it back on my bed, the water should start going everywhere. But it is completely all fixed. We're all good, and that's basically how you repair the gears. To those that have a broken aquarium that doesn't move like this one does, I hope this solves your problem. I will try to find the types of rubber bands that I used. And yeah, I hope that's it. Bye.